Assalamu alaikum, this is Mr. Ayman, ICT teacher running IGCSE in Sudan. In this video, I'm going to cover male marriage, paper 2, chapter 17. Please like, share, subscribe. Let's go. Okay, in this paper, 2019, components 2, and we have the question regarding to the male marriage. Question number 29, create a male marriage letter using J19 book able.rtf as the master document. This is the master document that first of all, you're going to work on the master document. And J19 book members.csv as your data source file. This is the other file too. First of all, we are going to open this document J19 books able.rtf. Let's go and open this file. Yes. This file now. Yes. Advise you first of all to save this file as the Word document as docx to avoid any pop-up error message may happen, because you need to compatibility with the Office work in your computer, because in this computer I'm working with the Office 2016. We have to be matched with them. Yes, not RTF, you have to be docx. Go to file and then you do save as, probably same place more. You can do it and change the save as the type to be not RTF to be Word document docx, and then save, and then okay. According to this, you are going to upgrade the file. Normal message we have, normal pop-up message, and then okay we have. Okay, now secondly you can do the second part of the question. Replace date with the field to display today's date in the format DDMMYY. And then remember, there is evidence to do it related to this question by taking a screenshot evidence to the date field code showing the format used. Place this screenshot in your evidence document. So you want to do this one with a screenshot. With a screenshot of the date format, select first of all, you select the date, and then go to insert, and then some candidates decide to use insert date and time from here. Yes, it can be added date and time from here, but at the end you cannot take a screenshot to show the date format. Yes, you cannot show the date format at the end. Yes, it can be inserted, but you cannot show it. So you have to go to the field. From field you can do it as find the date from the list and choose the format DDMMY. This one not YY. This is YY, DDMMYY. You choose this one. It means the year DDMMYY according it depends on the question. And then okay. You want to take a screenshot, you can take it from here, the date. On your keyboard, press Alt F9 to display the whole field. When you display the whole field, now you can take a screenshot of this one by snipping tools or whatever and paste it in your evidence document like this. Yes, here now, yes, should be pasted in your evidence document. Okay, when you return back to your document, to your letter, you should imprint it like this. You should return back to the date to the normal style by pressing Alt F9 on the keyboard to return it back normally. Okay. Second question, now enter your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the document. Find the document and get down to the footer. Double click here to display the footer, and then type your center number, candidate number, whatever you want. Okay, candidate name, center number, candidate number, and add it correctly in your footer, yes, and your document. Now let's go to the next question. Replace the text and chevron in the master document with the made field from the data source file as follow. I'm going to replace as the follow with the made field with the chevron. Replace should be replaced one by one. Are you going to replace it now? Let's go to the document back. Here we have first and then last. First and last back into the question. First means first name and last is the field name. Yes, the field is names, first name, and then the other one is the last name. So we're going to replace it by the document, back to the document letter. First here we have select, and this one you have to select the first exactly, no more, no less, highlight. That go to mailings, then go to insert match field, first name, click on the first name. So chevron being replaced by the field. Select the other one, chevron here, close from the first at the end, yes, last name, and then done. you have to do this to the rest of the document. I'm gonna do it too. Yes, add, select it. Chevron here without all of them being replaced correctly 100%. After that, make sure that you do not miss any spacing or punctuation or alignment or enhancement in the original master of the document, and save and printing document. How to print document from here? After you save it, you do save here and printing document. After you change it, you go to file and then print, and then go to the print from here, press on the print here. After you press it, you can receive this document in your printer machine. Back again to the question. Here we have. Now the second thing, there is the other printout here. We have it. Other evidence and other printout also we have it. Set an automated filter to select members where club is book pause, day is Friday. Let's go and do this in the document. Now click on the edit recipients list. Make it a little bit big. Yes. And then go to filter. Click on the filter. Depends on the question. And then from the filter, choose the field, the first field that the question asks for. Check the question again. The first field is a club and the other one is a day. And there is one book pause, and then the day is a Friday. Check, and then again check the question. The field one. Yes, which it should be yes, the club. It will be equal to, check again. Yes, the club is book pass. Yes, book pass. The other one we have also, day is a Friday. Find a day and then equal to Friday. And then press OK. Okay, there is something here. There is less number of record now, but You see the records from outside, from other way, that you can check the filtration is correctly working. Press OK, and then before you print out the criteria, you can check the result applying properly or not. You can press preview result, click on the preview result, and then check. This is letter number 1, and then go next to check the next letter. Number 2 is for check, and then number 3, you have only 3 letters will be printed out. Yes, after you finish, return the result, click again on the preview result back again. Very good. And then go to finished and merge. Here the other way of printing out. Let's check the question. He said now, yes, he said now print out merge and print letter for the selected members only. You have to print out the selected members only. But now you have to go and print it out, finish and merge, and then print document. And then press OK. 3 letters only will be printed out. OK? And then press OK to the printer. There is only 3 letters, 3 papers will be printed out. But there is other things here in the question. Very important things to check it, to do it. Yes. That is the evidence should be done here. The evidence asks you, you want to see that the methods that being used here, the automated method of the selection. You want to check this, go to edit recipient list from the same place, and then filter, and then screenshot this one. Yes, you can query option. This one could be, yes, screenshot and put it in your evidence document. Check again to the question. This is the last of the whole things of the mail merge. I hope these done. I would like just to revise a little bit things. 3 printed out should be here, and 2 evidence. To revise, number 1, evidence. Check the question again. Yes, we have. Yeah, now revise again from the beginning. Now you have evidence. Remember, the code field format should be in your evidence document. Print out, this is normal print out from file, should be printed out. Here, evidence for the criteria, the methods, that the filtration, and printed out. If you remember that 3 documents, 3 letters, it depends on the filtration that you apply. Here we have a question from one of my students. She asked me a question that, Mr. Why we should have mail merge system in our school? Okay, it's a very good question, by the way. The answer is why we have mail merge in school. Mail merge in school, it can be used to produce the report card. Rather than do the report card manually one by one, by the master document you can make the main file or the main letters with the title by the name of the school on the top, on the header, and the logo on the header once a time. You don't have to replicate them. And the source file holding the other data related to the students, related to the student's name and his grade 2. And then you make the fields and then ask to merge. And then the computer is going to make a copy from the master files according to the number of students that you have. It will be very fast. It will be easy to return back to modify something in the document. That's why we have mail merge in school. Another question given also by one of my students, why we should have mail merge in the bank as example. Okay, very good question. That is one very good question. The bank needs sometimes to send letter to the customers. That's very important. And sometimes banks maybe needs to send some of the to some customers, not the all customers, according to kind of criteria, according to kind of address, or he want to send letters to the customers with high accounts, with the more accounts balance, or with the customers dealing with euro as example, and other customers using dollar, and other customers using pounds. So maybe sometimes the bank needs to talk to the kind of categories of the customers. He needs to send a letter to them. He can use the mail merge rather than doing manually, making a master document and then merging the fields and applying criteria to the category of the customer that you are looking for. And then you can do merge and send the letter. I hope this answers your question. Thank you very much. You are more than welcome by any comments, any questions. Thank you very much.